Hello students. Students, today we are going to start new chapter coordinate geometry. Students, we have already studied in class 9th about the coordinate geometry. Let us revise. Students, we can draw graph using Cartesian or rectangular coordinate system. In Cartesian or rectangular coordinate system, students, there are two lines. First line is a horizontal line. This horizontal line is known as x-axis, and one line which is perpendicular on x-axis, it is vertical line, it is known as y-axis. Okay students, the intersecting point of both axes is called origin. Okay students, we can put the values which are positive towards the right hand side of origin on x-axis, and negative values we are going to put left hand side of origin, as we are doing on the number line. And student, on y-axis the positive values are there above the origin and negative values are there below the origin. Okay students, so we can plot the points here students, x and y. For example, the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 3. So in front of 1 from horizontal axis we can check for the 3. So this is the point A student, its coordinate is 1 comma 3. In front of 1 we have to take 3 student. Okay, so the first value we have taken from x-axis, horizontal axis. Second value we have taken from y-axis. So this ordered pair, this is called ordered pair student, 1 comma 3. Okay, it is called coordinate of the point A. The first value of x-axis, second value from y-axis. X is known as abscissa and y is known as ordinate, both together student known as coordinate of a point. These two axes students, x and y, divides the plane into 4 quadrant. This is called first quadrant, this is called second quadrant, it is third quadrant, and it is fourth quadrant. In first quadrant x and y both are positive student. In second quadrant x is negative, y is positive. In third quadrant x and y both are negative. In fourth quadrant x is positive, y is negative. Okay students, you can see this point 1 comma 3 both are positive, it lies in first quadrant. Minus 2 comma 2, x is negative, y is positive, so it lies in second quadrant. Students, if there is 0 means x value 0 or y value 0, then the point lies on axis. For example, minus 3 comma 0, x value is minus 3, this is minus 3, y value 0, it means this point lies on x-axis. Similarly students, 0 comma 3, this is 0, this is 3, so 0 comma 3 lies on y-axis. we can write 0, 3 lies on y-axis 3 unit above from origin. So this is the graph, student. It is known as Cartesian plane. Why it is called Cartesian plane, students? The Cartesian coordinate system is named for its developer, the French mathematician René Descartes. You can see the surname, student, here, Cartes. So Cartesian plane, this word is taken from here, Cartes. That's why it is called Cartesian plane. Now students, we are going to find the formula for calculating the distance between 2 points lies in Cartesian plane. So student, you can see this is point A, its coordinate x1, y1, and this point B, coordinate x2, y2. We have to calculate the distance AB. So we are going to derive formula, distance formula. Okay students. So to derive the formula, students, let us draw AE perpendicular on x-axis, BD also perpendicular on x-axis, BG perpendicular on y-axis, and AF perpendicular on y-axis. Okay, and students, you can see BD and FA when produced, they meet at point C, and angle C is 90 degree. Okay students, now OE equals to x1 and OD equals to x2, students, because the coordinate of this point B x2, y2. That's why the coordinate of point D is x2. So we can say DE equals to x2 minus x1 and DE equals to AC. AC also x2 minus x1. Okay students. Similarly students, OF equals to y1 because coordinates of A is x1, y1. Now coordinates of B x2, y2, that's why BD equals to OG equals to y2. Correct students? So we can say FG equals to y2 minus y1, BC is equals to FG, BC is also equals to y2 minus y1. Now it is right angle triangle, student, ACB, angle C 90. Let us use Pythagoras theorem. AB square equals to AC square plus BC square. You can see student here, FG equal to BC equal to y2 minus y1, ED equal to AC equal to x2 minus x1. In triangle ABC, angle C 90 degree, using Pythagoras theorem, AB square equals to BC square plus AC square. Now put the value, students. BC y2 minus y1, AC x2 minus x1. So we can add x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then AB equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is called distance formula, student. Okay students, we can find out the distance between 2 points in Cartesian plane by the help of this formula. Let us solve one question, student. Find the distance between A and B. A coordinate 5, -8 and B -7, -3. So this is point A, student, this is point B. Coordinate of point A 5, -8 and coordinate of point B -7, -3. So it is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. Let us use distance formula. AB equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The value of x2 minus 7, the value of x1 5, so it is minus 5 whole square, plus the value of y2 minus 3, the value of y1 minus 8. So minus 3 minus minus 8 whole square. So student, it is minus 12 whole square plus minus 3 plus 8 whole square. Minus 12 whole square 144 and it is 5 square. 144 plus 25 root 169 and 169 root is 30. Okay students. So distance between A and B is 13 unit. Okay then students.